Our skit is about railroad workers who were pioneers. In early 1862, Abraham Lincoln wanted a railroad built from California to Missouri.
Okay, attention everyone. I need a railroad from California to Missouri right now. Oh, and Miss Lily is the manager.
Yeah, so line up and I'll start hiring. No, 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 no. Oh, perfect. You, and you.
Hi, Miss Lily. Did you pick the workers?
Yep, they're right. Where'd they go?
I'm guessing they're right there.
Well, this is,
My name is Joe.
My name is Dawn.
My name is Ollie.
Oh, what lovely names.
Later on, they got to work.
Okay, payday. All right, now you can get that and that. And I'm being generous. You, $5, 6, 7, and you can get 20, 10, 20. And sorry we don't have more money.
Wait, why does Joe get more money than me and John?
Because you two are Chinese and he's American.
That's how the U.S. works.
Yeah, that's how it works.
So we're being used?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it obvious? Break it up, guys. We can't let this ruin our railroad.
Well, get to working. We don't have all day.
And many railroad workers get hurt every year by going to railroads. And even though I'm a nurse, I hate to say, but
Enough. Now, I'm gonna pass the Chinese Exclusion Act. It's gonna stop immigrants from all countries immigrating to America. That includes Chinese.
But who will build the railroad?
They can stay until the next ship arrives.
Okay. And so the railroad was eventually finished on May 10th, 1869.
it helps U.S. people get from places to places.